I don't see any evidence from any schools that are using heavily punitive systems that tempts me, because their headline figures might look very interesting, but you dig a bit deeper and you find they're throwing kids out left, right, and center, which is okay until it's your child, which is okay until it's your child that needs the support and needs the help.
Yes.
And then you suddenly see why education is, and society is interdependent. I don't want children leaving school at 16 and 18, having spent most of their school life isolated from other children, because we see those problems in our society. They're very expensive. Teachers are educators. If a children can't spell and can't write, we teach them. If a child can't behave well, we teach them how to behave well, not just through loading punishment on them. It doesn't happen in the workplace. It's a very unusual way of operating. It's very Victorian, and it's based on the sort of beat the sin out of the model. That if we keep punishing them, eventually they'll have this sort of road to Damascus experience where they'll say, right, that's it. I'm fed up of punishment. I'm going to follow the good path. It doesn't work like that. Ask any teacher who's turned round and helped to turn around a child who's struggling. They'll tell you exactly how it works. Relationships, consistency, certainty, yes, some tough love, but that's got to be balanced. And if you're going to teach children about behavior, you've got to hold the mirror up to them and show them that their behavior affects other people.